What role does the tilt of the Earth have on the seasons? Seasons occur because the Earth is on a tilt. For example, when the northern hemisphere is tilted closest to the sun, then that means that it is summer in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, it would be winter because they are pointing in the opposite direction. The sunlight is not shining directly at the southern hemisphere, which causes it to become cold, while the northern hemisphere is warm because it is getting all the sunlight. How does Earth's revolution around the sun affect the seasons? The Earth stays in the same tilt while it orbits the sun. When the Earth is to the left of the sun, the bottom half of the Earth is closest to the sunlight. As it rotates around the sun, it stays in its 23-degree axis, which causes the sunlight to shine on a different part of the world. When neither the top or the bottom is closer to the sun, that is the period of spring and autumn. Why do some places on Earth have 24 consecutive hours of daylight and others have 24 hours of darkness? As the top of the Earth comes to winter, places in the Arctic Circle can be in constant darkness for months, while the Antarctic Circle is in constant daylight. As the Earth circles the Sun, the same occurs, except in reverse. Why is heat from the summer sun hotter than the winter sun? In Australia, summer is pretty hot. That is because in summer, the bottom of the Earth is tilted closer to the sun. In winter, the bottom is further away. As the Earth is tilted away from the sun, we still receive sunlight, but not because of the angle of the Earth. The sunlight does not shine directly at the spot, but shine on a bigger spot. In winter, we are facing away from the sun, which causes us to not get as much sunlight as we would in summer. Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur's temperature remains stable throughout the year, thanks to its location on the Earth. It is located in the Tropic of Cancer, just above the equator. In winter and summer, the equator does not tilt away from the sun, which causes the heat from the sunlight not to vary so much. Because Kuala Lumpur is above the equator, in winter the temperature can change a little. Melbourne. Melbourne is located near the bottom of Australia, which is between the Antarctic Circle and the Tropic of Capricorn. In winter, Melbourne would have a much larger distance from the sun than Kuala Lumpur. This is why the temperature drops such a large amount.